Apolonia carried Apolonia.
Apollo, this is a very difficult situation. You have to go back to your people, because it is very obvious that my wife and my kids do not like you. I'm sorry about that.
Chief, sir, I am an orphan. My mother was an orphan. I have suffered as a street girl. Please, sir. Please.
Ebina kwani edioku ge mesia joyi. Ebezina kwani enwere mbido ge mesia nwenjedebe. No wow, uwa izu okay. No wow, uwa barari. Every tears will dry someday. Do you know every pain will go someday? After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire chigemesia we for kwanefo. Ebezina kwa. Ebezina kwa. Ichanya miri. Ebezina kwa. Ebezina kwa. Ichanya miri. Ebezina kwa. Ichanya mirigi. Ebezina kwa. Ebina kwani edioku ge mesia joyi. Ebezina kwani enwere mbido ge mesia nwenjedebe. No wow, uwa izu okay. No wow, uwa barari. Every tears will dry someday. Do you know every pain will go someday? After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire chigemesia we for kwanefo. Ebezina kwa. Ebezina kwa. Ichanya miri. Ebezina kwa. Ebezina kwa. Ichanya miri. Ebezina kwa.
From that junction, next tomorrow, I'll go to that church and all this express. Ha! People will get money there. People will get money there. Money will in that church. You get hunchback. Bad money. You talk too much. You talk too much. You will go to wherever I want you to go to. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We'll do this again. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Here. Apollo here. Take.
Man, this money you are giving me is too small. Eh? Yesterday we brought 340,000. Day for yesterday, 140. 4 days ago, 100,000. You didn't give me money all those days. Oh, today you can't give me 1, 2.
Okay, yeah.
1, 2.
I take.
Thank you.
I don't blame you. No. Let me give you all the money now. Take! I don't blame you. Accountant. Debit and credit. Continue. Are you done? I want to know. Do you know how much our wheelchair is being sold? Answer my question. Apollo, I run this business and I give you whatever I like. Do you understand?
No, ma. Now me they sit down on top the wheelchair. Now me they sit down under sun. The dirty makeup where they smell, where they put on my face. Now me na in the beer down. Sometimes I go sit try cry so that they go give me money. So you know good make come give me.
Will you shut up?
I don't go shut up. No pass me for my eye. You do wicked. You do wicked.
Apollo, I will kill you if you talk about happiness.
Madam, give me. Give me. This money too small. Give me.
Apollo,
Give me. Oh.
leave me alone.
I will not leave you. I will not leave you.
Okay. Hello? Spark! Hold me.
I will leave you.
Spark! I want you in my house now.
Yeah, I will leave you. I will leave you. I will leave you. I will leave you. I will leave you.
Apollo!
Emma.
Spark, where are you? Come here now!
I will leave you, ma. I will leave you.
Come back here! Get to me, Apollo, wherever she is now. Right now!
I do not have any family to go back to. And if I go back to the street, I will die. And if I die, I'm going to hellfire. Straight.
Apollo,
Sir?
take your bag. Go back into your room.
Ebezina oh, ebezina kwa ebezina oh, ebezina kwa ichanya mmiri ebezina kwa ebezina ebezina kwa ichanya mmiri.
Chief.
Yes.
Chief, sir.
Yes. Yes, Apollo.
Chief, sir. You forgot you have not eaten, sir.
Oh, yes, it is true. Doctor, I have not taken my breakfast.
But no, it's okay. After the injection, you can eat.
No, I have to take my breakfast first, eh? Please go and have your seat at the sitting room.
It's okay. It's alright, Chief.
I will get back to you. Doctor, please, I'm sorry, eh?
No, it's okay.
Sorry, just, I hope you're okay.
No, I'm fine.
That's all right. That's all right.
Excuse me.
Doctor, wait. Look at, no, come on. Come and have your,
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Have them. So, why did you do that? Why did you do that?
You cannot trust anyone, sir. I'll explain to you later.
That is true. That is true. Okay. Please. When things go worse, run to my brother Ibe. Chief Ibe. And tell him the truth that he needs to know.
Nothing will go wrong, sir. Nothing will happen to you. But I think you can still make a twist.
A twist?
Yes, sir.
I hope your bank alert is large enough to handle this for me.
Clean him up. His left hand and left leg, I notice they are not moving.
They are not moving.
Daddy, can you hear me?
Excuse me, I want to check something. His hands are stiff.
What's going on here?
No, Daddy. We have to call the doctor.
What's happening? Daddy, can you hear me? Daddy can't move. He can't move any part of his body. What? Dad.
Don't want to let me call him.
Dad!
Yo, Dr. Ozo. Yeah.
This is not what we agreed. Finish it up.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Sorry for what?
What's happening?
Yes, partial stroke. What? How come?
Bruno, I think it's best to fly Dad abroad before this whole thing gets out of hand. I'm scared.
No. We cannot afford to waste money. We will treat him here, you know, he's actually good, so we'll take a very good look at him.
What are you saying?
Excuse me.
Bruno!
Dad. Daddy?
Dad. Diamond.
Daddy.
Can I have it?
This is again my profession.
Can I have it now?
Okay, let's do it this way. I'll come to the house and tell Chief that there's a little problem in the DNA test. Like, I burnt it myself.
This. Do you think I'm a fool? I can burn it myself. Nice doing business with you. You can go down. I said get down.
Every day enough for the thief, one day enough for the owner. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy is umike. Imano only your joy na mwami fere.
It's time you talk about your will. This is the right time for it.
Dad, Mom is making a point.
Can we stop talking about this will and ask Dad why we're here?
Yeah,
That's true, Dad. Why are we here?
Just to wait a little longer.
Okay then. Looks like I have spare time today, so I'm pulling over all through.
Me too. I have nothing doing today, so we're going to wait.
Apolonia, Odogu. Odogu.
You're welcome.
Good day, Chief.
Kanu. Chief. You're welcome too. Thank you. Please have your seat. Thank you.
I thought this was supposed to be a family meeting.
Am I not part of this family? And soon, the children will realize that Kanu is part of the family too.
Ibe.
Odogu?
Don't be too fast.
Okay.
Let's wait for Dr. Uzo.
Hello, Chief.
Doctor, you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sorry, I'm a bit behind schedule.
Doctor, it's all right. Why are you here?
Doctor. Yes. Can you remember the DNA test you took on my children?
What?
Wait, hold up. Did you just say DNA?
What DNA test? What?
Chief, when was that?
That was a week ago when I had shortage of blood. Can you remember?
Oh, that. There's a little error on it, so I decided to discard it. I decided to do away with it.
Discard what?
I'm sorry about that, Chief. I have to do it again.
Nonsense. Harad nonsense.
Mr. Tibe, he has been our family doctor for years.
What a doctor. Stupid doctor you are.
What is really going on here? Dad.
Doctor.
Yes, Chief.
Do you know that this can cost you your medical license?
Sure.
Listen to me. I want the result right now. Yes.
No, seriously, what is going on? No, what is going on in this house? What's up with all this DNA bullshit? All of a sudden.
Doctor, can I speak with you outside?
Hey, I just asked what is going on and no one wants...
What's really happening in this family? Next day you're short of blood and now you're coming up with DNA tests? Father. Mom?
There's a saying that nothing picked from a tooth caps never satisfies a man.
Are you trying to say I'm up to something stupid?
Never says so. I'm only trying to avail you from further disgrace.
Excuse me?
You're excused.
Okay, I'm all ears. Please start talking.
Uzodimma?
Chief.
Uzodimma, you are playing with me. And I am not happy about it at all.
The result I have here, Chief, is inconclusive.
This is not the result you brought to me in my room. It is not. Doctor.
Yes, Chief.
But this is not the result you brought into my room. This is not the result you brought to me.
Solid. I have many photocopies of this. Have it. I'm giving you. Have it. No, have it.
What?
Isn't that original result? Your signature and a few stamp of your hospital ID.
What is this? So you want to believe this rubbish?
Tell me this is not true, Mom. But this is the same doctor you told us he is the best in town. Mommy, what is going on?
Your uncle hates us. He hates us so much. You want to believe this rubbish?
Doctor, you are a total disappointment. You are a disgrace to medical practitioner. Doctor, now get out. Get out before I call the Commissioner of Health. Get out!
You heard him. Get out before I call my boys on you. Out!
Kanu.
Yes, Chief.
You said you dated my wife for 6 years in the past.
Yes, Chief. And these children are the result of our affairs.
What?
Oh no, oh no.
What did you say now?
God.
Can someone wake me up from sleep? Mom, who is this man?
What is he talking about?
Father, please do not allow this madman take us away from this house. He is not my father. I don't know you. I hate you! I hate you!
I am talking to you. Who is this man? And what's the meaning of this? Mom, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this? Into.
You bastard! Eh? You think you can go to my father's house and take my blood? Come here. My husband. I will kill you. Today I will kill you.
Hey! Let him go.
What's your business?
Let him go!
You fool! How dare you shut at me in my father's house? How dare you? You fool!
Will you get out of here? Get out from here! Get out from here! Get out!
Mother! You are in a better position to explain this to us. What is happening? Oh God.
Mom, can you talk to me? Who are you? I am your father. You lie. You cannot be my father. In your dreams. This is my father. He is my father and not you. What is going on here? Mom, talk to me. Who is this man? Who is this man? I'm asking you, Mom.
Mom, talk to them.
Who are you?
I said you should talk to them.
So, thank you very much. Thank you. But where did you get the original copy of this result?
Apolonia, your maid brought it to me.
Apollo?
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Oh, good evening. Are you his maid?
I'm his house girl.
Oh, I see.
I want you to have this.
So ask you to give me this?
No. This is more important. You will need this at the meeting.
Oh, I see. Where are you from?
I'm from Uchu.
Oh, I see. Hey, look alike. Take this and give the chief.
She did?
Yes. When I got home, I knew there was fire on the mountain.
Do you know that girl has been very helpful to me? Several times my wife tried to poison me.
What?
But she came to my rescue.
Apolonia, why didn't you tell me all this while?
But I am just telling you. I think this is the right time.
Apolonia.
Yes.
It's not better we send that woman back into our people.
No. Not time. Not yet.
We are sending her back to our people.
No. Not yet time.
Do you want her to kill you before you do that? Apolonia?
She cannot kill me. I have a lot to fix before sending her package.
There is only a way to settle this. We have to call Mr. Carlo and prove him wrong.
Let's look for a way and fix our lives before it gets out of hand.
What are you trying to say? Don't you trust Mom?
Trust? What trust are you talking about? You still trust Mom after seeing the whole embarrassing drama that happened at the sitting room? Come on, Diamond. We're no longer kids. Please, take trust away from this discussion.
Mr. Carlo can never be my father.
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang up with. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how.
I cannot thank you enough. I owe you my life.
You owe me nothing, Chief. I could have done the same to my father.
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
I just wish this whole thing is a dream. It would be so disheartening to lose you as a father.
Helen.
Father.
But do you believe that, man?
Yes, I do. I see myself in him.
Helen, I like your honesty.
After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire, chigemesia, we for one for Ebezina, Ebezina,
I know you're telling the truth, but it hurts. It hurts so much that all of a sudden we all will be leaving a man we've known as our father all our lives for
a wretched man.
No, for reality.
I am sorry this is happening. Your mother pushed me into it.
No, Ifeoma, no. This is not right. It's an abomination. Please. Please.
Let me bear the consequences. I'm about to lose my husband. Please help me. I need to give him a child, please.
Please, I am a married man. And I am your wife. I would not like someone else to do such a thing to her.
Okay, just once, please, to save my marriage. Please. Please.
And it happened again and again. And that's how all of you were born.
Ebina kwani edioku ge mesiajo here. Ebezina kwani enwere mbido ge mesia nwenjedebe. No wow, uwa izu okay. No wow, uwa barari. Every tear will dry someday. Do you know every pain will go someday? After rain,
what sort of life is this? What sort of life is this?
Chanya miriri, ebezina kwa. Ichanya mirigi, ebezina kwa.
Dr. Uzo.
Yes, Dr. Phil.
I was asked to give you this letter from the Minister of Health.
But, Dr. Phil, you can help me.
I'm sorry, Dr. Uzo. There is nothing I can do about it. You're asked to drop your official car behind you. Excuse.
If anyone told me that this life would be gone, if anyone told me that the laughter will go, if anyone told me that no bosia kwanabia, if anyone told me that I'm more. Every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy enwe sumike. Imano only your joy na mwami fere. Be careful how you live your life. Where we go from here. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang out with. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Nothing. Be careful how you live your life.
God. Indeed, karma is real. Has come upon me. has come to ruin me.
Try to keep this to yourself. I will play a bad wife and pretend as if nothing is happening.
Chief wrote a petition against me to the Commissioner of Health.
How? What happened? How come?
I tampered with the children's DNA result.
You did what? No. I know my husband very well. There's no way my husband would do a thing like that. Honey, you're joking, right?
I was under pressure.
You were under pressure like someone pointed a gun on your head? Hey!
It's a long story.
I am not going anywhere today. I am ready to listen to the long story.
Honey, I love you.
What did you do?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Really? How did it happen?
It was as if I was drunk and I found myself unaware.
Who asked you to come in here?
Nobody, ma. Nobody, ma.
Now get out.
Yes, ma.
Leave!
Auntie Anita, I should bring the wine, ma. And keep it here.
Leave here! Get out!
Okay, ma. Doctor, sir? Is it?
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Nothing is hidden with Apolonia. Even though the cockroach, no say she dey house. Now she be house girl, but now she be landlady.
To think that you fooled me that night is very disrespectful.
It will never happen again. I regret it ever since I did it. Honey, please forgive me.
I should forgive you.
Please forgive me.
I should forgive you, you said.
Wait.
Where you go? Where is she?
Who?
Where is my daughter Apolonia?
Madam, the Apollo when we get for this house, he not get near for back. So I don't know where the near for enter. We get Apollo, but no near.
Apollo! Apollo! Wait, look!
Oga!
Let me!
Oga! See
Apollo,
this woman!
You are here enjoying while I die of hunger, okay? Okay? In fact, I am taking you home now. Nicholas, so you kidnapped this girl after I have suffered to bring her up. It won't work. You get in there, pick your things, and let's go. Auntie.
Who is she? Auntie. Woman. Sorry, who are you?
Stop pretending as if you don't know me. My name is Elizabeth, Machi's cousin.
Ewo. Elizabeth. Elizabeth the nurse. Eh?
Now you know. I am here to take her away. You can't take her from me.
Ewo. So, Apollo, I don't know what. Elizabeth. I don't.
Ibe.
Where have you been all this while?
After I lost my cousin, Machi, I left the city. Nicholas, you treated Machi so badly that she died with your name on her lips.
Listen, I looked for that woman. I searched for her, but all to no avail. I heard she was pregnant. And the next I heard of her was that she died in an accident.
No, she died while giving birth.
Eh? So, where is the child?
You people want to take her away from me after I have suffered to bring her up. It won't work. What? I am here to take her away.
Apollo is Machi's daughter. Abunaya. Can you hear this? Apollo? So Apollo is Machi's daughter? Apollo is my daughter. I said it. And I knew it. She's like our mother. Chief. Apollo is my daughter. Apollo is my.
Uncle, listen. Why do you want to tear our family apart? No, why do you hate my mother so much? Why?
If you raise your voice at me again, I will ask my boys to beat you blue black if I send you back to your father. Look out my sight! Get out! I said, can I don't like your life? Out! Look at you. Move, get out!
I know why I'm leaving. I know why I'm leaving.
Apollo, come. Apollo, come. It's your father. Apollo, come.
Mommy, why not say the truth and apologize to Dad? He will forgive you. Mother, open this door, please.
What is wrong with you? I can't apologize to anybody. I didn't do anything.
Oh, Mother, you're lying. You're lying and you know it. If you claim that you're right, how then does he know you have a mark on your nipple? How did he know you have a mark on your nipple, Mama? Mother, open this door, please. We need to talk. I beg you in the name of God. Just open up, please.
What was the meaning of that? How could you be talking to Mom in that manner? Have you lost it?
Can you just calm down? Mother doesn't want to say the truth.
What truth?
She doesn't even want to apologize to Dad.
Apologize for what? To who? For what?
Diamond, I heard everything. I know everything now. Mr. Carol told me everything. If he was lying, how then did he know of the birthmark on Mommy's nipple? How? Everything is so clear.
Helen, someone might want to set us up. You know, someone might want to break this beautiful
just come
family.
of it. No, I don't think so. Diamond, start warming up to leave this house. We don't belong here. This is not our home.
Simon, these people are richer than before.
Auntie, why did you lie to them?
How did I lie to them?
You told me that my mother abandoned me in front of your house when I was a baby.
I lied to you.
So which lie will I believe now?
See, let me tell you. God brought you to this place. And please, do not forget me when you become rich. Let me tell you something. A madman once told me that in due time, you will find your roots. And then, I will become very rich. And the madman also told me that in your dream, you will find out your real source.
What do you want?
It is good you are home, but you have to start your assignment.
What assignment?
You have to save your son from this coming danger.
I don't have a child.
Oh yes you do. Your son is your seed and you are his seed.
So, when am I coming back? You know now, for more money. I will come back if I need more money, oh.
What was the meaning of that?
I don't understand.
What is it you do not understand? How could you cry with Eliza to tell lies to your own dear brother?
I have not planned with Eliza. For 30 years, I have not set my eyes on her.
And how will I believe that?
Can't you see the features of her mother in Apolonia? The first time I set my eyes on Apolonia, I knew she was her blood.
I need to see Rome. Yes, I need to see him.
I will take it to him first thing tomorrow.
Ebe na kwani ihe dị ọkụ ga-emesi ajụ oyi. Ebezi na kwa ihe nwere mbido ga-emesi nwe njedebe n'ụwa o, n'ụwa o, ụwa ezughị oke. N'ụwa o, n'ụwa o, ụwa gbaraghari. Every tear will dry someday. Do you know every pain will go someday?
If I had known when the writing was boldly written on the wall, I would have done something.
Who is that?
It's Helen.
Helen. And why is she calling you by this time of the night?
I think she needs my attention.
If he needs your attention, it's his wife that ought to call you.
Honey, I was supposed to check Chief's blood pressure tonight.
Then let his wife call. Besides, they should have the machine at home. You are not stepping out of this house.
What's wrong with you?
You think I don't know that the deputy governor's daughter's birthday party is tonight? I am not a child. So just quietly lie down and sleep.
Ebe na akwa n'ihe dị ọkụ ga-emesi ajụ oyi. Ebezi nakwa n'ihe nwere mbido ga-emesi nwe njedebe. N'ụwa ụwa ezughị oke. N'ụwa ụwa gbaraghari. Every tear will dry someday. Do you know every pain will go someday? After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire chigemesia we fo kwanefo. Ebezina ebezina kwa ebezina. Ichanya mmiri nebezina kwa wegega dị mma nebezina kwa ichanya mmiri nebezina kwa ichanya mmiri.
The person inside should go, no problem. But you will look for me. You will look for me. You all will look for me. No problem. I will go. It's this one again. Hello, Uzo. Uzo, don't you ever call this number. No, you listen to me. Listen to me. I am done with you. I am done with this thing you call marriage. And I am never coming back to the house. I'm never coming back to that zoo. Don't you ever call this number. Yes, I am never coming back to your house. I am done with you. Get off my phone. Going back to where? Cheating man. I will go. People will look for me. All of you will look for me.
Sister, what are you doing here?
I will go and get lost, and I'm sure that will be okay for everybody.
Go and get lost. What actually happened?
I am tired of that marriage. I am tired of living with that dog. I came back home, and Papa told me to go back there. But you know what? Instead of going back to that house, is that a house of? Instead of going back to that zoo, I will go and get lost. Since nobody cares about my happiness, no problem.
Okay, follow me. Let's go and talk to Papa.
Huh?
Yes, follow me. Let's go and talk to him.
Yes. I should follow you. You're talking as if you don't know your father. Please just go and leave me. Let me just stay here. Go.
All right. Okay, we will wait here. Let me go and talk to him. Okay?
I've heard you. Yeah, I should go back to that zoo. Stay with that animal.
What?
Sister, Papa almost shot me.
Didn't I tell you?
That man is a wicked man, oh.
Shall I ask you not to go? You will not listen. Don't worry. I'll sort myself out.
Sister, where are you going to now?
Don't worry, I'll sort myself out.
Sister, where are you going to? Hey, this one almost killed me. Oh.
Where is Anne?
She's gone.
What do you mean by gone? Gone to where?
I don't know.
If you want this,
I am gone for good. I hope she doesn't do anything stupid to herself.
Ebezina, Ebezina, Ebezina,
Who will I go to now? Uzo. Hey, Uzo. Hello, Eve. Eve, please. This is my marriage. Allow me to handle it my way, please. Eve, don't tell me to calm. Eve, can you not tell me to calm down? This is my marriage. Please, let me do it my own way, please. Yes, allow me to do it. Thank you. Where do I go to from here? What do I do? What do I do? Hey, God.
You are here to know if the young woman in your house is your daughter. Have I not told you about her before? You only told me about Machi and my mother. I told you that your mother, Akwoma, has returned. The young woman in your house is the rebirth of your mother. Ozome, I have heard stories like this before. I am still confused. When you get home, look at a palm. You will see the same trademark on your mother's palm.
I say something?
Go on. Oh, go on. Huh?
You have to take Apolonia out of that house, or Lolo will kill her.
To which house?
The house she's staying in now. Take her out of that place.
Okay, take her out of my house.
Yes.
I think you are making sense.
Okay.
You are making sense. Yes. You're right.
Apolonia, oh, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Magarine, on our bankerio, wow, Sararu, Babuche, Imagosi, Ebo Bazara, Ochia, Omegaria, Tem, no balansigo, Apolonia Carigo, Ochia, Iso, you are Panu, Tem, Imano balansigo, Apolonia. Awa Mama Sararu Mama Babuche Imagosi Wado Ya hiyoro ya kogeme o Mama Sararu Babuche Imagosi Wado Omwero sobu mancha o Mama Sararu Babuche Imagosi Wado.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Chief, salty don't spoil, oh.
What?
Chief, this don't spoil.
What is it?
Chief, I don't know, I want to talk more. Chief, your wife and Bruno, they don't pursue Apollo come off for the ass.
You where?
Chief, I don't know. I don't know, I just know say they don't pursue him.
Odogu, Ibe, Odogu, Hago. Don't worry. I can handle this. Don't worry. You, go to the gate.
Where is Apollo?
She has gone back to where she came from.
Where did she come from? Listen, woman. If anything happens to that girl, you will see the other side of me.
So you were planning to throw me out of my house to marry that thing? You are planning to push me out and settle for a nobody? Was that your plan?
I just have no time for you promiscuous woman. Very soon I will have time for you.
Every day na for
Very soon I will have time for you.
One day
Yes.
na for you.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy ezumike.
Ibe, I want to see Apollo. If anything happens to that girl, I am gone. I will have nothing in this life. I will not. I will not.
Chief, you worry too much. Apollo have lived with you for months, yet never noticed her smartness. Know how we come upon her. Don't worry. I will go and look for her. And I will find her and I will bring her back to you. Eh? Stop worrying. She's still wherever she is. Chief.
Thank you very much. It's all right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
Dad, if we must leave, you have to compensate us.
And you will do the same to our mom.
I have heard you. You go, come back later and pick up a check.
Okay then.
Bruno. If I were your father, would you let me die of stroke?
Was it the cause of your stroke? Was he?
That was harsh.
Not really.
Ebe na-akwa n'ihe dị ọkụ ga-emesi ajụ oyi. Ebezinakwa n'ihe nwere mbido ga-emesi nwe njedebe. N'ụwa o, n'ụwa o, ụwa ezughị oke. N'ụwa o, n'ụwa o, ụwa gbara gharị. Every tear will dry someday. Do you know every pain?
You see, all men are dogs.
Anne, just look at what you're doing to yourself. It's okay. It's okay. Please. Come on, please. Anne, let's go home, okay? Let's go home.
Home. There is no home. There is a dog living in the house.
Look at me. And look at me. Look at me. It is me, your friend.
Wait.
Yes. It's me.
I can't even see you.
You cannot leave your house because your husband cheated on you. No, you can't do that. Have you forgotten when Phil wanted to dump me? I stood my ground and I won him firmly all to myself.
Baby. You know I don't like it when you keep me all stressed up. You asked me to wait for you in the house, which I did, and you're here.
I'm sorry, something very important came up and I had to fix it.
I can see you fixing it. And what are you drinking by this time of the day?
I said I'm sorry. Can you please go to the car and wait for me?
Baby, if you don't stand up right now and follow me, I am going to do something very silly, I promise you. Phil! Wait a minute.
Do you want to leave me here and go with her?
Are you mad?
Are you stupid? Is it because I did not break your head with a bottle? Now do not get me angry before I face you. Who do you think you are? Is it because I'm not introducing myself to you?
They didn't make it yet. See this man here? He belongs to me and no one else. He is my man. And I don't share. You must be very stupid. Phil, did she just slap me now?
One more word from you. I dare you to say a word right now.
If you want to fight her, I'm not ready to separate any fight.
Can we go now?
No, you can't do this to me. No. No.
How did I win? I refused to go and stayed with him until every good digger disappeared from our lives.
Good luck to you. As for me, I will never go back to the house. Did I just call it house? That zoo.
No, Anne. You see that zoo you just called it? You will go back there. That is your home. Or have you forgotten what you told me when I came complaining to you that Phil wanted to dump me? I was in the bedroom when Phil came in with the lady. He told me that the girl was his colleague in the hospital and asked me to leave the room, which, you know, I did. At night, I heard the lady moaning, and when I got into our bedroom, I saw my fiancé on top of the lady.
It's okay. If it's okay, can you stop crying? Will you die because of the man?
Tell me. No, tell me. If it's you, what are you going to do? Tell me.
I know it's painful, but...
No, you don't know. You don't know because I love him. I mean, we've come a long way. So you can't tell me that you know. You don't know because you're not here to know what I feel for him.
If it's okay, can you put yourself together? I can feel your pain. It's okay. It's okay. I think you should try this. You told me you love sex, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Then lock him up one day and let him have enough of you. I mean, give it to him, left, right, front, back. Like, mess him up, let him be the one to tell you he's tired.
Are you sure that will work?
Of course, girlfriend. I tried it with Uzo and it worked. So just try it. Give him all the time you have denied him while you worked day and night. Do it and trust me, he will come back to tell me thank you.
But I love him. Why is he doing this to me?
It's okay.
Why?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just do what I ask you to. It's okay. Remember all the same. It's okay.
When you get home, apply one swift magic and he will start drooling all over your feet once more. He is your husband and he will always be. Okay? Please, come on. Imagine. many bottles? You that don't even drink. Come on, please, let's go, okay? Okay? Let's go.
I need you now more than ever.
We go someday. After rain, sunshine will come. Chijire, chigimesia, wait for one for Ebezina, Ebezina,
Thank you very much.
I won't be closer to a coffin than I was this past couple of minutes. Thanks to you. Looking fresher than ever. Quite good enough for me to eat. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to be taking you guys out. Yeah. If it's something else. I love this graceful steppings of yours. Looking like an Irish young lady with manners of it. We are not going to accept that check. Alright? We will not allow him pay us off. If he does, the money will not be useful. Am I ringing a bell?
Are you saying what I'm thinking? Are you?
I know I have the heart of a lion. I know I have what it takes to succeed. I will not let him leave to ride the wheel in favor of anyone.
The time is now.
Even try to. If you go close to him, I'm going to stab you to death.
Oh. So you want to kill me? Huh?
Chief.
Yes, Matthew. Thank you very much.
You have to use the formula now. The one we talked about.
Okay, I will.
You want to reap where you did not sow. You feel like it's lying. Wait.
Chief! Chief! No, wait! Get help! We need to get help! Chief! We need to get help! Chief! We need to get help! We need to get help!
Which bloody help?
Chief! Chief! Chief!
What did you do to him?
You were here! I didn't do anything! You were here!
Do you want to die by knife or by gun? No. Now start talking. What did you do to him?
Nothing! I didn't touch him! I didn't touch him!
I guess I'll kill you by gun then.
No!
Oh. You know I use voodoo, yeah? No, you know I use voodoo. I don't want to splash your blood in this room. Now match. Wait.
I am scared.
You don't need to be scared. The game is almost over. We will eliminate her and everything will become ours.
I can't wait for this game to be over. Seriously.
Very soon. Very, very soon. Come on, let's go.
I don't know! Where is the document for the last time?
Where is it? I didn't touch it! Where did you hide it? I did not see it! I don't see how my bed! I didn't touch it! Where did you hide it?
Where is the document?
I didn't touch it! I don't know!
I see you want to die!
No! Hunter! Please, I touch it! Oh! I didn't touch it!
Down, babe. That's what I'm trying to do.
Open it. There's no time for this. Open it.
What they up to? Calm down.
Oh my god.
Muggo.
Oh my god. We get it.
Of course.
I thought we lost it.
Okay, so let us put it back so nothing happens to it.
Yes.
Get out to the real deal, baby girl.
Yeah. Apollo.
Apollo Muggo.
Big time, Muggo.
Muggo raised the power too.
Big time, bro.
I said, we have to start making arrangements, alright? How to sell the textile
company. You're the baddest, bro. You're the baddest.
Bitch.
No, you're the baddest.
Yeah,
you are the baddest, bro. You are the baddest. Let's go. Let's go.
How do you mean? Did this sir leave this house?
No be say Asia and leave I think see they go don carry and come out, Oga.
To where?
Oga, I don't know because they don't ban me and make I know they come the mayor house again. I just dey my cabal for the gate side. So because of that one, I don't come know where they go carry and go.
Erije, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will give you some money to provide information for me.
But Oga, you know say they know they take empty belle take give information no because me I never child like this so.
Don't worry, have this.
Oga any information when you want for this life, even as they take Jesus, me I'll give you.
Don't worry.
See, even the fowl, that fowl will crow 3 times. So, now me know the owner of the fowl. If you want the fowl, so I go give you.
It's okay.
Chief Oyana.
It's okay.
Oyana, man, they go.
Look at this. Last documents are very good.
Mom, we've done great for ourselves.
Really?
Yes.
On our wanya. Muggle. She thinks she's wise.
For where? Muggle.
This is fake. This document is fake.
Mom. It's fake.
Have a close look at it.
Yes.
Look at the letter heading. Give him one. Look.
But it's got signatures now.
Yes.
Look at it very well.
All the fact I want to put the Mogo now. Let me get something straight.
She played us. Apollo played us for a fool.
You were played.
How can we be fools?
So wait. So this so we've been looking for the wrong documents, eh?
This is fake.
Mua. Hey. Ha, Apollo na. Apollo, I will slaughter you. Mua bumado, brony. Apollo.
Mom, I swear. If this Apollo refuses to confess this time, I will kill her myself. What kind of rubbish is this?
You will not kill her. We'll take her to the bush and kill her.
Better. Hey! Mom, this girl, this Apollo.
Apollo?
Hey.
Ongo, Makachi.
How can she give us fake documents?
Now they find now.
Where's Apollo? Where is she?
Which of the Apollo? The spirit, the Apollo himself, I mean. Which of the Apollo?
You're very
I'm not no way there. I'm not no way. Which guy? I'm not the do this work. What I call do if I leave her now, who go do her? Not be me go still do her. This can't be this. I not get pride though. I not get pride. Make it not be said don't thief money on my salary. I know they work now. I not get pride. I know. Me I not get pride. See, you know how many years I take senior Dangote? Una go fit beat her like this. I don't worry.
Hello? Yes? Who is this? Okay. Apolonia? What happened to her? Oh my God! Where exactly is that? Where did it happen? Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'll be there. Okay.
girl is a witch. Apollo is a witch. But this time I will kill her.
Now, bro, witch, more of a wizard. Apollo, I'll just kill that girl. Oh my God. In this town, Apollo probably from now, keep running. Because if I catch you,
Apollo, you will not escape my wrath.
I'll just kill that girl.
I will deal with her.
I'll kill this girl.
Okay, she just fooled all of us. She made us believe that was the original document. In my own father's house. Who does that? Apollo.
I am not bothered on this.
I am bothered. Why will Ibe not tell any of the kinsmen the mortuary where he kept Chief Odogu's body? I am beginning to think that Ibe is up to something stupid, or there is something that is hiding away from us.
Mazendoka, Ibe is not stupid.
Chief Odogu was his brother. Let him handle this his way.
Chief Odogu was also my brother. Ibe should come back home so that we can plan about the funeral of late Chief Odogu.
I am with Ibe on this for your information.
I see.
Father, I overheard one of Chief Odogu's maid saying that Lolo and Bruno are planning to sell Chief Odogu's house, the one in Lagos.
Hey, Kenny.
Papa.
Go and sleep. That can never be possible.
Papa, I overheard...
Hey, Kenny, go and sleep.
Okay, Papa.
That is not possible.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang up with. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Nothing. Be careful how you live your life.
Okay.
More of you, tea, right? It's okay.
You have nothing to worry about. We have CCTV, we have everything in place, so everything is standard.
Okay, it's okay. I think I will go for it.
So we are cool with the 20 million?
No. It's 20 million. No. The interior is okay, but 20 million, no. I'm going to pay 10 million.
I don't know. How can you pay 10 million for such a big house? I mean, this is a castle. You can't pay.
Yes, I understand, but 10 million is okay for it. That's all I can afford.
My guy, check what I'm giving you. This. Alright.
You know me, I don't like much statements. If you are good with 10 million, let's just go inside and we'll start the deal.
I'm good with 15 million. 15 million, that's the last price. Don't negotiate. It's 15 million.
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Hey. Be careful who you hang up with.
I am so heartbroken. I can't believe that he's gone. Uncle, please. Please, can you take me to the mortuary so I can see Daddy's corpse? Please.
Helen, I'm not yet done with the autopsy and investigations. Helen, before my brother was killed, he had a message for you. But it has not come to pass. This is the only one that he brought to my knowledge.
$10 million.
Yes. Take it easy. He also made arrangements for you to further education in London.
Oh, Daddy.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
$10 million. Oh, God.
Okay.
Uncle, please. What about Apollo?
I don't know her whereabouts, but I believe she's fine.
When you find her, tell her I love her braveness. I appreciate everything she did for Dad. And if possible, let her leave the city. Mom and Auntie Bianca are planning to kill her. Please. She has to be saved. Please.
I know. I will handle them. Helen, this time forget. I will inform you to send your tribute before the funeral. It's okay, stop crying. It's okay.
I just wonder I'm going to live without Daddy.
Don't worry, he's gone. There's nothing we can do. All we can do now is to pray for him. And make sure you pray for the funeral. It's alright, stop crying. It's alright, stop crying.
No wow, is okay. No wow.
I am alive. Yes, I am.
So, you want to ruin our lives? You want to ruin our lives? What have we done wrong?
Shut up, you pig! Shut up, you pig!
Leave me alone. Let me be.
Yeah.
How much did you say you want to sell this house?
20 million.
Yes. 20 million is okay. 20 million is okay. But I want to suggest that we use this as a vacation house. So, how about that?
It's a fantastic
You can call for employment in the textile mill next week. If you want to sell it off and use the proceeds for something more great.
Honey, I'm very sorry. I can make amends. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I'm very sorry too. I'm sorry that I have already gone to your people. And I have asked them to help themselves with the bright price that I have already paid on your head. I think that has caught that tie that you have binded us together. Okay.
So, Chief, let's get inside. Let us go inside and drink and marry for this victory.
You are right. Madam, let's go inside and marry.
If anyone told me that this life would be gone, if anyone told me that the laughter will go, if anyone told me that no bosia wanabia, if anyone told me that I'm
You told me this house belongs to you, Bruno. Is that not what you told me? Give me back my check. I need my check right now, right this minute.
Calm down first.
I need my check.
Take your hands off me.
My check, please.
Your check, please.
Immediately. I don't want to waste any more minutes.
You don't have to shout at my brother like that.
Nonsense.
Get out!
Sell it.
What do we do?
Mom, what's the meaning of this? What do we do?
Mom, what do we do? Are you going to be stranded? Just like that?
I cannot be stranded though.
No.
I cannot be stranded.
This is my father's house. I'm not going anywhere.
All these things are cheap drama. I cannot be stranded for any reason. This is my father's house.
If anyone told me that this life would be gone, if anyone told me that the laughter will go, if anyone told me that no bosia wanabia, if anyone told me that I'm every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If you live life without caution,
Hey, you don't touch me, alright? You don't stain my clothes. This is his clothes, that's my shirt. Hey, bring me down, bring me down, bring me down. Bring it down! Hey!
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you will go from. Be careful how you live your life.
Me, I'm fucked up. I'll be back before you know it. This is about paramount. Look, I have muscles before. I just said to myself, there's no need having muscles. There's no money in muscles. I'll fuck you up before you know it. I'ma deal with you. See, I'm not scared of you, alright? I'm only doing that. I'm doing yoga. I'm not scared of you. Easy. mess you up. I'll mess you up.
Go to now? Where?
Well, we'll just have to look for any hotel to stay till we'll figure out what to do with ourselves.
Ha! I don't have a kobo. Remember I told you that my account was frozen. I don't have money.
Hey, Mom! Listen, you people should not keep me stranded at all! I don't even want that! Don't tell me that kind of story! Don't keep me stranded!
Yourself, stay quiet. You're running. Where are you running to?
I don't have money. I can't operate my account. Stop hitting that boss.
Mom, it's a lie, oh! It's a lie! Mom, how can you say you don't have money? What of a rich man like you?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
So what are we going to do now? That's my own. Because I cannot stay here.
Mom, where do we sleep tonight? It's getting late. I cannot sleep on the street, oh!
Let's go to my friend's place. Okay, let's go to Bianca's place, okay? Let's go. I know she will help us. Please.
If anyone told me that this life would be gone, if anyone told me that the laughter will go, if anyone told me that no bossy wanna. If anyone told me that I'm my mom, every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy is umike. Imano only your joy.
Where is your madam?
There's trouble. My madam has been killed.
Eh? Has been what? How? Where? When?
What did he say now? That who has been killed?
How?
I don't know. All I know is that the daughter came here and locked up their apartment. I don't even know where to go from here.
What kind of a mess is this? Mom, just look at the mess you brought me into. Just what kind of nonsense is all this?
Hey, just shut up first. Don't be talking to mom like that. Let's figure out what to do with our lives.
Really? I am upset. So I should say my own mind. Okay, now, where do we go to? The house is locked. Where do we go to? Where? Like, seriously? Nobody's going to answer me?
Damn.
Well, the only thing we have to do is to go to that Mr. Kano's. Who knows? He might have a piece of land to give us and we can sell and start up life again.
God forbid. Over my dead body will I go to that wretched man's house? Are we moving from grass to grass? Or what?
Well, Leo sis, looks like that's what we're into right now. We have moved from grass to grass. And we have to fix ourselves.
Fix what? No, fix what? Why are you sounding like a lunatic? Really? Why can't you think like a man for once in your whole life? Why can't you?
Wait. Did you just call me a lunatic?
Of course you're a lunatic!
Are you mad? Are you okay? You call me a lunatic? Huh?
Did you just slap me?
No, I just did you makeup.
Mom! Did you say slap me? Did you say get you to
Shut up! I saw barking like a mad dog. Shut up!
Calling me a lunatic.
Mom, she called me a mad dog, right? Really? Okay. If there's any mad dog in this place, that should be you and not me!
How dare you? Have you lost it?
No, I think she has lost it, Mom. She has lost it. You're now insulting me and insulting Mom, right? Are you mad?
You two are crazy! You two are just mad! You two are mad! If you ever lay your hand on me again, I swear I'll slap you back!
Brain reset. That's what you do.
What, no, what is wrong with you?
So please, can we stay here for the meantime before...
What? Mom! What have you done? Mom! Mom! Are you mad? Did you just... Are you mad? Did you just... You better... Diamond! Diamond! Jesus, what have I done? What have I done? Diamond! Diamond! Mom! 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 Jesus. 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 Diamond! 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 Hey, come on, that was a joke, alright? Alright, I'm sorry, just wake. Diamond! 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 Mom! Mom! Diamond! Hey, Jesus Christ!
Every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If
Where are your
you
sisters? They're on their way.
Let's go inside.
Look. This is not about going inside, okay? I'm here for you to give me any land and the documents for me to sell and start up a business. I have so many business ideas here. I can't stay in here to get that achieved.
Okay. Look. Do you know if I'm the owner of this house?
They say,
I said, my name was a shishi. I thought on penny.
Young man, you are under arrest for the murder of your sister Diamond.
What?
Move! This way.
calm down.
I say move!
Yeah, officer.
Wait,
officer,
just calm down. Just take me. Wait, let me tell you.
Officer.
Wait, I'm just trying to tell you. Wait, now
every day na for the thief, one day na for the owner. If you live life without caution, you stand to reap the fruit. Only your joy enwere ezumike. Imano only your joy na mwomi fere. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful who you hang out with. Be careful how you live your life. Be careful how you move about. Nothing. Be careful how you live your life.